Do you know this? Flying probe testing is not only used for bare PCBs. Most people believe that flying probe testing is a process exclusive to the PCB manufacturing stage. This misunderstanding is actually very common. Originally, flying probe testing was indeed developed for bare PCB electrical testing, mainly to detect open circuits and short circuits. Over time, people naturally formed the impression that flying probe testing equals PCB testing. However, once components are assembled onto the board, the situation changes completely. At this stage, what needs to be tested is no longer just copper traces, but the actual functionality of the circuit. During the PCBA stage, verification is required not only for network connectivity, but also for solder joint reliability, component polarity, and whether key electrical parameters are within specification. In these scenarios, flying probe testing can still play an important role. By directly contacting test pads or component pins with probes, flying probe testing can perform continuity checks, short and open detection, resistance measurement, as well as diode and transistor polarity testing. More importantly, it does not require custom test fixtures, which makes it highly flexible and efficient for prototypes, small batch, and high-mix PCBA production. So flying probe testing is not a PCB-only tool. In PCBA manufacturing, it is also a very practical and widely used testing method. If you enjoy real-world PCB and PCBA manufacturing insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.